My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my walking in the I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Dang guys, Instagram update, you gotta get it, it's fire. But that's besides the point. I just wanted to let you guys know that everything you just saw in that video, Instagram and basically all social media in general, is just a highlight reel of people's lives. And you don't see the behind the scenes like very often. For example, I'm not traveling all the time. I'm usually sitting at this desk editing videos, watching videos, school, which is sadly still a thing for me. It's really cliche and you've all heard it before, but I just want to remind you guys of that. And also, I'd love to thank my family and all my friends for making this a great year. Especially, I want to thank God for this year I've had and the amazing time. And I already know he's gonna make 2020 an even better year because we're gonna do some awesome stuff. I got my license. I'm gonna be able to drive my friends around. We're gonna go some awesome places, do some awesome stuff. So subscribe for that and go follow me on Instagram, see my highlight reel. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. I got a real good feeling.
The window and hold it out the door. Free fan. And a nice view too, look at that. Let's go. Let's go, Blue. Good girl.